Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how you have two cash apps on one phone. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first guys, we want to go ahead and open up the official Cash App application on our mobile phone. So if you don't already have the application, what you want to do is go to the App Store and download it. So open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Once you open it up, you can go into the search bar and search for Cash App. By searching for Cash App, we can go ahead and search for it, and then once you find the application, you can start installing it, and once you install it, we can get logged in. So log in either with your phone number or with your login details, whichever way you prefer, and once you log in, you'll be greeted by this homepage right here, which is the main page where you can take a look at our cash balance, our savings, and all the other options that we have. And now we can get started. So basically guys, what we're looking for is how to clone our application, because there is no natural way to have two Cash App applications at once on your mobile phone. You can log into multiple accounts if you want in Cash App, so you can sign out of one account, log into another one, and so on, and then you can use it that way. But if you really want two applications on your mobile phone, what we can do is clone the application. You're going to need a separate application from the App Store. You want to go to the App Store and find an application, something like Clone Island or some similar application that is going to enable you to clone your application. But guys, this is not available in iOS. You can only use this on an Android phone. So if you have an iPhone, you cannot have two Cash App applications at the same time. It's only possible on Android. If you're on Android, you can open up your App Store and then you can search for clone app or some similar term that's going to give you all the applications that can clone your application, and then you'll be able to install two Cash Apps at once. And basically that's how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.